All right, guys. So today it's our day to go back to Bangalore, and we'll be starting for our return journey now. It has been a fabulous 2 days, and this last bit we had reserved it for the last day because. क्या जी, क्या हाल चाल? बड़े थके हुए लग रहे हैं आप.
थके हुए नहीं लग रही हूँ। मेरा पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया है, मुझे कुछ खाने के लिए चाहिए। यहाँ पे कोई भी रेस्टोरेंट।
It's time to load the top box on the motorcycle.
बहुत भारी है।
चलो चलो चलो. रात के बज रहे हैं 4, यानी कि सुबह के बज रहे हैं 4 और 15 मिनट में हम लोग निकल लेंगे यहाँ से. It's time to load the top box on the motorcycle. कर देते हैं इसको लॉक और फिर सबसे बड़ा और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट काम हो चुका है ख़त्म. अब और कुछ खास बचा नहीं है.
हंसते बाबू, ये देखो हमारा 2 व्हीकल।
सबसे ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट वाली बात क्या है पता है आज मेरे लिए? आज मैंने फाइनली अपने YouTube के चैनल का इनॉग्रेशन अपने मोटरसाइकिल पे कर दिया है. तो जो लोग देख रहे हो आप लोग
प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल।
क्या है कि हैंडमेड लोगो है ना, तो थोड़ा सा टाइम टेकिंग है और मशीन के लोगों से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार देकर बनाया है. Are you excited?
यस यस यस।
How's the Josh?
हाय सर।
Alright, तो फाइनली निकलने का वक्त आ गया है. It's time to hit the road now. जय शिव शंभू. निकलते हैं हम लोग और शुरू करते हैं आज का ये रंगीन एडवेंचर. मुन्नार, we are coming. Right, so टाइम हो चुके हैं, पता नहीं कितने हो चुके हैं. सोचा था 4 बजे तक निकल जाएंगे पर शायद 5 बज चुके हैं. तो बिना देरी किए अब बस निकलते हैं और फिर आगे रास्ते पे आपके साथ बात करते हैं. जाते जाते ये केबल मैं भूल ही रहा था माइक्रोफोन का, ये लेके आ गया हूँ. So I'm all set. Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel, your channel and our channel, The Rolling Nomad. I hope that you all are doing fantastic and I also hope that you are going to be journeying along with us as we go from Bangalore to Munnar. It's 5:30 in the morning here in Bangalore right now and we are all set for an epic ride to Munnar. Now as you see, illuminating the road ahead are 2 pairs of amazing 8JG fog lights that I recently installed on the motorcycle. These 8JG fog lights are a game changer. Look at how bright and functional they are. They can cut through the darkness of the darkest of nights and are very crucial for an early morning ride like this. Now, for some of you who might not know, Munnar is a beautiful hill station in Kerala, known for its stunning tea gardens, lush green landscapes, and cool climate. Now, it's going to be about a 9-hour ride from Bangalore, as far as what Google has suggested, and we are so excited to explore it together with all of you. Starting our rides by about 4:35 o'clock, 5:30 max to max. Keeps you fresh all day long because you don't have to deal with a lot of traffic, you don't have to deal with a lot of polluted air, and that's how you tend to remain fresher throughout the day because the main hurdle is कि आप शहर से कितना जल्दी निकलते हो. The main hurdle is whether or not you are able to dodge the traffic and the pollution of the city before it kicks in. So while the whole world is sleeping, it's best to take that extra effort and get the hell out of the city, because that's what the plan is. Now coming to the journeyman's journey machine, that is my Interceptor 650. Well, it's always a thrilling experience to have this guy taken out on long rides or long hauls like these. Now specifically for this ride, I've done some installations. Among the recent installations that I've done on my motorcycle would include one extra pair of HJG fog lights on top of the one that I already had on the motorcycle. Now these two put together are rated at 120 watts. Along with that, this black mobile charging cover that you are seeing in front of you, that's also another new addition to my motorcycle, and I've done that specifically keeping in mind the rainy weather and the fact that it has wireless charging as a part of the apparatus makes my mobile charging process absolutely seamless and worry-free even during the rains. These two, that is the HGG fog lights and the mobile cover, are the two new additions as far as installations on my motorcycle is concerned. Now the motorcycle has been riding like a charm after the installation of the Powertronic, and I can really feel the oomph in the overall riding quality, in the overall torque and power delivery of the motorcycle. So I was looking forward to having this installed on the motorcycle for such a long time, and it's great to see and feel that this has finally been taken care of. It's been about 2 hours into the ride, and I'm already beginning to feel hungry. I mean, I've had food sometime around 11 in the night, and it's already been about a good 10 hours. So given also the fact that I've not slept all night because I returned from the office at about 3 a.m. and after that obviously I had to ensure that everything was nicely packed, and a little bit of here and there activities were left. I had to load things up on the motorcycle, and all of that put together basically has now made me hungry. But the irony is that for the last, I guess, 40 kilometers that I've been traveling on this road, I haven't really come across any shops or restaurants, and nor have I come across any, those coconut sellers or sugarcane juice sellers anywhere along this road. So that's kind of an irony, and I'm not sure how long before am I going to come across any place where we can have some food. So let's keep traveling. I hope that you guys are still with us as we are making this journey towards Munnar. It's not quite hot at this time because I guess the last couple of days of shower in Bangalore have mellowed things down to quite an extent. I hope that once we enter the boundaries of Tamil Nadu, I hope that we don't get to see the climate getting hotter than this.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low, sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains.
For some reason this time we did not take the Mysore road, rather this is the Hosur road along which we are traveling right now. This road that we have taken happens to run through Hosur, Krishnagiri, Dharmapuri, Salem, Erode, Coimbatore, Udumalpet, and finally to Munnar. Now, normally I'm not used to taking this road to get out of Bangalore, but I'm surprised to see that this road is so empty. Not too many vehicles, and yet the roads are so big. The roads are good, the roads are big, and yet I don't see too many vehicles using this road. Could it be because there are no shops along this road? I'm not sure. क्या जी, क्या हाल चाल? बड़े थके हुए लग रहे हैं आप.
थके हुए नहीं लग रही हूँ, मेरा पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया है, मुझे कुछ खाने के लिए चाहिए. यहाँ पे कोई भी रेस्टोरेंट नहीं है.
कितनी अजीब बात है ना.
पता नहीं कैसा जगह है ये यहाँ.
मतलब दिखाया जा रहा है कि यानी कि गूगल मैप्स में दिखा रहे हैं कि यहाँ से जो सबसे करीबी रेस्टोरेंट है वो भी कुछ 260 किलोमीटर. फ्रीकिंग 260 किलोमीटर्स.
सॉरी 260.
260 ना.
Yes.
हाँ वही तो बोल रहे हैं 260 किलोमीटर्स. मतलब अजीब लगता है सोच कर, है ना. कैसे यार, मुझे अभी भी भरोसा नहीं हो रहा है एक्चुअली.
मुझे भी भरोसा नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि इतना दूर तो रेस्टोरेंट नहीं है.
I hear the beat. It's in my chest.
Do you really believe what Google just showed us? Do you think we literally have to travel for about 260 kilometers before we are able to find a restaurant? Somehow I'm not really able to digest that. Let's see, let's figure out. रास्ते में कोई ना कोई ढाबा तो मिल जाना चाहिए अगर कोई बड़ा रेस्टोरेंट ना भी मिले. So that remains to be seen. Let's figure out. Let's travel and see what the road has in store for us.
Like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that.
Well, fortunately for us, we finally stumbled upon this hotel, Hotel Anand Bhavan, Honey Anand Bhavan. So 260 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल नहीं करना पड़ा. So that's a blessing. And खाने को मिल जाएगा. कल रात करीब 11 बजे के आसपास डिनर किया था और अब जाके फिर से दाना चुगने को मिलेगा. तो fortunately we found something which obviously was not showing up on Google Maps. Obviously there are a lot of such places which won't end up being shown on Google Maps, but yeah, we were actually pretty sure that we definitely will find some or the other place. So here we are, finally. Would you like to show your face?
Sorry.
Would you like to show your face? मिल गया खाने के लिए. हाँ. आनंद किसे कहते हैं इसके शक्ल पे देखो. टेबल पे पधारे हैं मसाले डोसे, चटनी, सांबर और मेंदू वड़ा. इधर तो ऑलरेडी भोजन पेट में जाना चालू हो गया. কথা বলেছি রেকর্ডই করিনি. बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेस्टी, बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाजवाब टेस्ट है इसका जो यहाँ पे मसाला डोसा परोसा है इनने. मतलब इसके आगे बड़े बड़े फेल. बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेस्टी लग रहा है. जितनी टेस्टी चटनी है उतना ही टेस्टी ये मसाला डोसा बना है. We had some very delicious food and after the food had a glass of buttermilk and a sweet power nap to complete the entire proceedings. And now I'm feeling so complete that I can stay up for hours and reach the destination very peacefully. Hey guys, I wish you a very good morning. Let's just go outside and first of all see how it looks from here, and afterwards we also have to start exploring the place. Now, yesterday has been a pretty exhausting day, mostly because of the heat that we found all the way, all along, while we were crossing Tamil Nadu. So this place here feels very cool, and I'm very hopeful that the oh wow man, what a view! Let me turn the camera and show this to you. Tan ta. So it was, according to them, the first rains that they had seen yesterday after we arrived. So I've parked my motorcycle right over there, if you're able to see. And this is how the place is looking. Gorgeous, isn't it? And this is the stay where we are currently residing.